Welcome to Custom Music Distribution. This is a video tutorial on how to create Facebook Messenger ads or Instagram direct ads. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to create another audience. We don't have to, but in this case, I want to target record labels who have watched more than 50% of the video. So to do that, I have to create another audience. So make sure you choose the same video that the record labels have watched. Then you're going to enter the audience name and then click on Create Audience. Then we're going to go to Ads Manager, click on Create. And then we're going to click on Messages, create a campaign name, select a daily budget, then click on Set Up Ad Account. Make sure everything here is correct, then click on Continue. Going to create an ad set name and then decide whether you want the record label execs to message you on Facebook or Instagram. So if you want to create one for Facebook and then go back and create another one for Instagram, you can do that. But let's say we're creating one for Instagram. Here you're going to select record labels watch 75% of the video. So the record labels who have watched more than 50% of the video, those are the people who are most likely going to click on your ad and converse with you on Instagram. I did not save the audience for the record labels, but you have, so you will also put that saved audience here. You can also choose to save this audience. Leave it at automatic placements. Then press continue. Create an ad name. Select an Instagram account. Upload an image or video. Dear record label executive, I'm interested in signing with your label or with your company and joining the team. Send me a message so that we could chat. And you could, put anything that you want here. Call to action, of course, is send message. And then you're going to click confirm.